very important, okay? So shifting your focus from what's missing in your life, which is so easy for us to see that we don't need no help, to what you already have is so important. You got to listen. I remember, and I've done it myself, right? I remember Maya Angelou, even my grandmother, and even myself thinking, dang, I ain't got nothing to eat. I ain't got nothing in the refrigerator to eat. And you start looking through those cupboards, right? And you like, I'm gonna put something together. And you start putting stuff together. You go in your refrigerator. You know, I've heard Maya Angelou talk about she'll take some vegetables that she got, a little water. Maybe she got some chicken, some roast chicken or something. Might have something in the freezer, whatever. Pour all that stuff in a pot. Boil it up. And you had the best soup you ever had. You have enough you can eat on for a couple of days. That's taken from what you think you don't have and looking at what it is that you do have and making that thing work for you.